Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, I'll be giving you an update of Skeem Saam that was aired on the 4th June 2025. Mapitsi was listening to DJ Thomas' show. And DJ Thomas is back to Berry FM. He even made an announcement about his engagement on radio, and Mapitsi was crying after hearing that. Because what? DJ Thomas used her. Rangwane wants Mapitsi to fight for her job also. Because they can't give Thomas a job and yena ba semfe mmereko because they did what they did together. On the other hand, Tiwas wants Mapitsi to come back, and Makey doesn't even buy that. She can't even pretend. And Tiwas opened up to his mother, or if I divorce Mapitsi, I will lose half of everything I worked hard for. Makey watched her son fall apart when Mapitsi cheated on him. And as a mother, that pain runs deep. Now as Tiwas considered to give Mapitsi another chance, Makey is not holding back. She's unconvinced that the relationships deserve a second chance. Mapitsi was writing a letter to her first lover, Kerapa Baba High, when she received a call from KG. KG wanted to inform her that she got her job back. And Mapitsi even asked KG she will be working with DJ Thomas now. And KG was clear, no, you won't be working with DJ Thomas. We'll find someone to run the show with DJ Thomas. And Mapitsi was very happy. Makey went to the university to talk to John Maputla about Tabo's decision. Ifela Maputla yena anya kutsena taba tša bana. And Makey le yena should do the same. Makey nana decision ye Mraya itšereng e wrong. After DJ Thomas' show, KG went there to inform him about Mapitsi coming back to work. And DJ Thomas ha sa nyaka Mapitsi, ha nyaka bona Mapitsi back to Berry FM. And DJ Thomas onana re yena ke yena the guru of radio. John and Makey Maputla went to the Marongwa's household to tell them about Tiwa's decision. Marongwa and Mapitsi were happy, but Makey Maputla wants that to happen under one condition. And condition ya ona ke gore Mapitsi, if o boela ga Maputla, she will go and work at Maputla supermarket. Mapitsi yena ha bone le bothata, ntwa e nyakang ko boela back to her family. And she's willing to do as Mama Zala say, as long as she get back to her family. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.